If golden beaches, historic temples, and bustling markets pique your interest, you're in for a treat. We're spending 48 hours in Colombo, Sri Lanka's vibrant capital city. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up as we dive into this tropical metropolis. Colombo, often overlooked in favor of Sri Lanka's beaches and tea country, is a melting pot of cultures, cuisines, and colonial heritage. This coastal city seamlessly blends modern urban life with historic landmarks, offering travelers a unique glimpse into Sri Lanka's diverse identity. From ancient temples and colonial forts to stylish cafes and seaside promenades, Colombo has something for every traveler. Day 1. Morning, exploring the old city and Pettah Market. Start your day bright and early by heading to the heart of Colombo's historic district. Begin at the fort area, once a fortified part of the city during Portuguese, Dutch, and British colonial periods. While the actual fort no longer stands, the area is rich with colonial-era buildings that now house government offices and businesses. Stroll towards the old Dutch hospital, one of the oldest buildings in Colombo dating back to the 17th century. This beautifully restored structure now serves as a trendy shopping and dining precinct. Grab a quick coffee or fresh juice at one of the cafes to kickstart your day. Next, venture into the bustling lanes of Pettah Market, Colombo's most vibrant trading hub. Prepare for a sensory overload as you navigate through stalls selling everything from exotic spices and colorful textiles to electronics and jewelry. This is the perfect place to immerse yourself in local life and maybe pick up some souvenirs. Don't forget to haggle politely for the best deals. Midday, a glimpse of history at the Red Mosque. While in Pettah, you can't miss the striking Jami Ul-Alfar Mosque, commonly known as the Red Mosque. With its distinctive red and white striped facade resembling a giant candy cane, it's one of Colombo's most photographed landmarks. Built in 1909, this mosque serves as a place of worship and a symbol of the city's multicultural fabric. Please note that visitors are welcome but should dress modestly, covering shoulders and knees, and be respectful of prayer times. Lunch, savoring Sri Lankan flavors. By now, you've worked up an appetite. Head to Ministry of Crab, located back in the old Dutch hospital complex. Co-founded by famous Sri Lankan cricketers, this restaurant is renowned for serving some of the best seafood in Asia. Indulge in their signature chili crab or pepper crab, prepared with fresh lagoon crabs and local spices. If seafood isn't your thing, try upalis by Malaka, near Viharamahadevi Park, offering authentic Sri Lankan curries and hoppers, a type of pancake made from fermented rice batter and coconut milk. Afternoon, cultural discovery at Gangaramaya Temple. After lunch, make your way to the Gangaramaya Temple, one of the most important Buddhist temples in Colombo. This eclectic temple complex combines Sri Lankan, Thai, Indian, and Chinese architectural styles. Explore the main temple, filled with statues, ornate carvings, and an impressive collection of relics. Don't miss the Seema Malaka, a floating temple situated on Barra Lake, just a short walk from the main complex. Designed by renowned architect Jeffrey Bawa, it's a serene spot perfect for reflection and capturing stunning photos. Evening, sunset at Galle Face Green. As the afternoon wanes, head towards Galle Face Green, a popular oceanside urban park stretching half a kilometer along the coast. This is where locals gather to relax, fly kites, and enjoy street food. Take a leisurely stroll along the promenade, feeling the ocean breeze on your face. Find a spot to sit and watch the sunset paint the sky with hues of orange and pink. Grab some street snacks like isovadai, deep-fried lentil cakes topped with prawns, or kotu roti, a stir-fry of shredded roti bread with vegetables and meat from the food vendors. Night, experience Colombo's nightlife. If you're up for some evening entertainment, Colombo has a growing nightlife scene. Head to Colombo City Center, a modern shopping mall with a rooftop bar called Cloud Red. Enjoy panoramic views of the city skyline while sipping on a cocktail. Alternatively, visit Bally's Casino or Bellagio Casino if you're feeling lucky, or catch some live music at Barefoot Garden Cafe, a laid-back venue known for jazz nights. Day 2. Morning. Discovering cultural heritage at the National Museum. Start your second day at the National Museum of Colombo, the largest museum in Sri Lanka. Housed in a grand colonial building dating back to 1877, the museum offers a comprehensive look into the island's history. Explore galleries filled with ancient artifacts, royal regalia, traditional masks, and intricate wood carvings. One highlight is the golden throne of King Wimaladarmasurya II and the crown jewels of the Kandyan monarchs. The museum grounds are also home to a beautiful garden with majestic banyan trees, an ideal spot for a leisurely stroll. Midday, relaxation and lunch at Viharamahadevi Park. Opposite the museum lies Viharamahadevi Park, Colombo's largest public park. Named after Queen Viharamahadevi, it's adorned with flowering trees, fountains, and a giant Buddha statue. If you're visiting in spring, you'll be treated to a spectacle of blooming yellow flowers. Take a moment to relax on the benches or wander through the shaded pathways. There are often local vendors selling fresh coconut water, perfect for hydrating in the tropical climate. For lunch, try Nuga Gama at the Cinnamon Grand Hotel. This open-air village-themed restaurant serves traditional Sri Lankan cuisine under the canopy of a massive banyan tree. Afternoon, shopping at Independence Square and Arcade. Post-lunch, head to Independence Memorial Hall at Independence Square. This national monument commemorates Sri Lanka's independence from British rule in 1948. The architecturally impressive structure is modeled after the Royal Audience Hall in Kandy. Stroll through the surrounding gardens and perhaps visit the small museum underneath the monument, detailing the country's path to independence. Nearby, you'll find the Arcade Independence Square, a colonial-era building transformed into a stylish shopping and dining complex. Browse boutique stores selling local fashion, handicrafts, and souvenirs. It's an excellent place to pick up Ceylon tea, spices, or artisan jewelry. Late afternoon Mount Lavinia beach excursion. In the late afternoon, take a tuk-tuk or taxi to Mount Lavinia Beach, about 10 kilometers south of central Colombo. This popular beach destination offers a more laid-back atmosphere away from the city's hustle. The golden sands and gentle waves make it a favorite spot for locals and tourists alike. Visit the historic Mount Lavinia Hotel, a colonial mansion turned luxury hotel, with a romantic backstory involving a British governor and his secret lover. Enjoy a refreshing drink at their beachside bar, or simply relax on the sand watching the fishermen bring in their catch. Evening, culinary adventure and shopping at Dutch Hospital Precinct. Return to Colombo for an evening of culinary delights at the Dutch Hospital Shopping Precinct in Colombo Fort, if you haven't explored it fully on day one. The beautifully restored colonial buildings house an array of restaurants, bars, and shops. For dinner, try Ministry of Crab if you missed it on day one, or opt for Kama Sutra, co-owned by Sri Lankan celebrity chef Darshan Munidasa and Bollywood actress Jacqueline Fernandez. The restaurant offers modern interpretations of traditional Sri Lankan dishes in a stylish setting. End your day on a high note at Elevate Rooftop Lounge and Bar, located on the 29th floor of the Access Tower 2. This is the highest rooftop bar in Colombo, offering stunning 360-degree views of the city skyline and the Indian Ocean. Sip on signature cocktails and enjoy live music as you reflect on your 2 days exploring Colombo. As your 48 hours in Colombo come to an end, take a moment to appreciate the rich tapestry of experiences this city offers. From the historical landmarks and cultural treasures to the modern urban vibe and warm hospitality, Colombo is a city that surprises and delights at every turn. You've navigated bustling markets filled with the vibrant colors and aromas unique to Sri Lanka, tasted dishes that tantalize your taste buds, and met people whose smiles are as radiant as the tropical sun. Whether it was the serene moments at Gangaramaya Temple or the lively evenings at Galle Green, the memories forged here are bound to last a lifetime. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Colombo. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Town Travel Tips for more adventures around the globe. Share your own Colombo experiences or any questions you have in the comments below. Until next time, safe travels and Ayubawan.